Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create an instance from Amazon Machine Image. Right here we are on EC2 dashboard. We can go to image and AMIs. You can see right here we have one Amazon Machine Image. We will create an instance from this machine image. To create one, we just check the Amazon Machine Image, this one, AMI. This is we create this Amazon Machine Image from instance that we have created before that have some of application and a web server on it. So when we create a new instance from this Amazon Machine Image, absolutely we will get the same as an instance before. Okay, check the Amazon Machine Image and launch instance from AMI. Okay, the first thing we need to enter is the name. We just name instance from AMI. We can see right here that automatically AWS EC2 Service select the AMI that we have chosen before from IMD AMI. We can see when it created, the architecture and some others. Next, we can change the instance type just like before when we create manually the instance. Next, the key pair or login we can choose as before, or we can change if we have more key pairs. And the network setting, and also we can change this behavior or the VPC and the subnet, but we leave it as it is. And we can go to storage, and in this storage, the storage is same as instance that we create the Amazon Machine Image before. You can see it's 8 GB of GP3. That's it. And the last one is we can see the summary. We want one instance from IMD-AMI, our custom image. We want to T2 micro, same as security, and volume same as before or default from Amazon Machine Image. And we just hit launch instance. Okay, successfully initiated launch of instance. We can go to instances. We can see instance from AMI is pending. We will wait for instance set is running and the status check is 2 of 2 check pass, and we can see or test this instance with its public IP to see is there the application that we create before. Okay, the instance state is running and the status check is still initializing. We will try to access this web server from its public IP. Hit enter. Okay, looks like it's still initializing. We will check the networking or security group. Oh, we forgot to add port 80. We just go to the security group. We need to add port 80. Add rule, HTTP, okay, save rules, and we can reload this. Okay, we can see that our instance is up and running. We can see it has the same application as its master or from Amazon Machine Image. You can see this is the master instance. You can open address, HTTP, and we can see this is the same application, just a different instance ID. Okay, that's it. How we can create an instance from our custom image or our Amazon Machine Image that we create from instance that we have. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.